guys, so as we do every single week, we're going to do the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. But because it is your final session, you're going to decide which number represents which movement. So let's have you first. What can number 1 mean? What should be number 1? Okay, so number 1 is going to be running. Number 2 is going to be what should be number 2? Okay, so we're going to go from a fast-paced run down to a slower-paced run for number 2. So running and then jogging. Number 3 is going to be what? What should we do? So we've got running, then we're going into a steady jog. Number 3, what can we do for that one? Say it again.
Kangaroo.
A kangaroo jump. Show me kangaroo jump. Okay, so number 3 can be a kangaroo jump. And then number 4, we will choose. Choose this person here. What can number 4 be? Okay, so number 1 is running. Number 2 is jogging. Number 3 is a kangaroo jump. Number 4 is skipping. Do we all know what each number means?
Yeah.
So, number 1, running, let's go. That's it, on the spot, on the spot, on the spot. That's it. And number 2, jogging around the hall, let's go. So make sure you look where you are going. Do not crash into anybody else. That's number 1, on the spot, we're on the spot, let's go. Good. Number 3, kangaroo jumps. Good. Part number 2, jogging, let's go. Then we can jog around the hall, or we run on the spot. Number 4 is skipping, let's go. And number 2, jogging, let's go. And freeze. Okay, let me have a see. I'm going to choose this person here. Pick a number, 15, 20 or 25. Oh, well done, you chose very wisely there. So, for 15 seconds now, you are going to be doing the 4 movements. You ready? So, number 1, running on the spot. Go, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Boys on the spot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And jogging around the hall. Let's go. 15, 14, 13. Watch where you are going. 12, 11. Do not crash. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And kangaroo jump. Let's go. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And skipping. Let's go. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, who remember how we control our breathing? Good boy. Interlock our fingers behind our head. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Walking around the hall. Let's do that now. Good. That's it. Let's get our breathing back down to normal levels. Remember, boys and girls, just walking. Breathing in through your nose and a nice deep breath out. Good. It's a good fast one, keep on going. Good. And then once you are ready and happy, come and sit back down here in front of me. So, last week we had a discussion about which activity we're going to do for our final session. Okay, and the biggest vote we had was for running races. Okay, so that is what we're going to do. But there's going to be a little twist, and we're not just running there and back. Okay, so what I need are some team captains. So who's sitting nicely? Let's have team captain number 1. Stand up for me. Who wants to be red, green, blue, or yellow?
Green.
Come this way for me then. So green, you can sit there and face me. Good boy, well done. And then team captain number 2, we will have number 2. Blue, yellow, or red?
Red.
Red. And you can sit right there for me. Good job. And then we'll have team captain number 3. Blue or yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow, good choice. And then one more. Let's have, we'll put you just over here. Green team, just bring down a little bit for me. Perfect. Okay. Yellow team, green team, blue team, red team. I need 2 boys from here for me. From here. Okay, if you guys please team for me, you can join yellow team and you can join green team. Okay, so before we start, guys, remember if we do these challenges at home, you need to make sure you have a bit of space in order for you to be able to run. If there is no space indoors and you have space outdoors, then you can go outdoors and do it instead. So, what you need is you need 2 markers. Don't have cones, and you can use trainers, you can use socks, you can use whatever you can find, as long as there are 2 of them. Okay, now, you then need to spread your markers out either as far as you can, or don't have a lot of space, and just make sure you have enough space to be able to run. So, obviously guys, we do not want the cones to be this close together, okay, because you're not going to run that far. Try and spread them out as much as you possibly can. Remember whether you're indoors or outdoors, and that way you have a nice big area to move in. So, for the first activity, this is what you're going to do. You're all going to stand up. And then when I say go, children at the front, you will run to your cone in front, or if you're at home, your other marker. You will then do 5 star jumps and you will run back. Remember, a star jump, you need to make sure you go out and back in. That is 1. Out and back in is 2. This here is not a star jump, that's just you jumping down. Make sure arms out, legs out, arms in, legs in. Arms out, legs out, arms in, legs in. 5 of those and then run back. Are you ready? Once you've had your turn, go to the back of your line, next person goes. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! So do your 5 star jumps. Good. Excellent. The next person go when they are back. Remember, run first, yellow team. Blue team, gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go, blue team. Stand up. Run. 5 star jumps. That's it, good boy, well done. After your turn, make sure you sit down on the floor. Last one, green team, off you go. Come on. So run first. So run, just run. That's it. Then your 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good boy. Back to your team. Now, just to make it clear. If you have a brother or sister at home, then you could race them. if you don't have brother or sister, what you could do is you could set yourself a time, maybe like 30 seconds, and see how many times you can run there, 5-star jumps and back. Run there, 5-star jumps and back. And every time you do that, you can score 1 point for yourself. You can have 3 attempts and try and beat your score every time. Okay, now, this time, when I say go, you're going to jump from your yellow cone to your other marker on this side. Then, you're going to touch your toes and jump 5 times. So who's going to demonstrate touching their toes and jumping? Come on then. Stand right there for me. Turn and face your class and show me touching your toes and jumping. Good boy. Now, he's using one hand there, but I want you guys to use 2. So 2 hands touch and then jump as high as you can 5 times. So remember, jump, 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 jump. When you are here, touch your toes and jump 1. Touch your toes, jump in 2, 3, 4, and 5. Run back of your line, next person goes. Do we all understand that?
Yes.
Okay, stand up. And are you ready? When we get ready, go. We're going to go to jump, jump, jump. That's it. Good green team. Good red team. Let's go. Touch your toes up in the air. Good. 5, 10. Make sure it gets high if you can. And then run back. Good. So jumping towards me first. Yellow team jump. Red team jump. Green team jump. Blue team jumping. Good. And then touch your toes and jump 5 times. 1. Good. That's it. And then run back. Okay, green team jumping towards me. Yellow team jump towards me. Good. And then touch your toes and jump 5 times. Excellent. Good. Well done. And then run back, green team. Good job. Okay, this time we are going to be skipping to our other marker in front. Remember, if you've got cones, you can use cones. If you haven't, then just use trainers or towels or tennis or toys, whatever you have. So, skipping to your marker in front. Then, when you get here, you're going to do 5 jumping star jumps. Okay, so you're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when you jump, I want to see how wide your arms can go, okay, and your legs as well. So don't just do this, you've got flying birds, okay. So make sure you stretch out as far as you can 5 times. Are you ready? So skipping here, 5 jumping star jumps, and then back to your team. Everyone stand up. And are you ready? Go. So skipping, 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 and then 5 jumping star jumps. When we get higher than that, next one, go. Blue team, come on. Skip, skip, skip. Well done, yellow team. Good teamwork there. Well done, red team. Excellent, fantastic. Well done, green team and blue team. Well done. Okay, yellow team, let's go. Green team, let's go. That's it, skipping. Good. And then back we go. Excellent job. Well done, boys and girls. Now, this is where you're going to get competitive. Okay, so, I'm going to time 30 seconds for all of you. You're going to run there, and you're going to run back. That is 1. Run there, run back. That is 2. And 3, and then 4. When I say stop, you need to make sure you know how many you have got. Ready, you 4? When I say go, you go. When I say stop, you stop. In 3. Red team, sit down. Red team, thank you. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Run, I say go. I'm back. And go again, keep going. Green team, keep going. Blue team, keep on going. 20 seconds left. Make sure you count how many times you get there and back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Yellow team, how many did you get?
15.
15, wow. Red team?
And 20.
20, even bigger number, well done.
20.
Green team?
20.
20, well done. And blue team?
90.
90. Tell you what, boys and girls, some big scores there. Well done for that. Okay, next one, stand up. 20, that's a big number, that one. Guys, it's okay, don't panic, it's all part of the fun, don't worry. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Green team, boys at the back, take a seat. Take a seat for me, that's it. Okay, ready for... Go! Seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, yellow, how many? 21. How many? 20, how many? 40. Wow. How many? 100. Tell you what, you must be like Usain Bolt doing that quickly. Okay, final 2 boys, stand up. That's it, stand up. Stand up. Okay, so guys, it is very important that we count properly so we can get our correct scores. Are you ready, you two? Red team, take a seat. So it's just yellows and greens doing now. So, I'm now going to count for you two boys to see how many you get. Okay, you ready? 30 seconds. Go! Remember, that's 1 and 1 for green. 2 for yellow. 2 for green. 3 for yellow. 3 for green. 4 for yellow. 4 for green. 5 for yellow. 5 for green with 10 seconds to go. 6 for yellow. 6 for green. 7 for yellow. 7 for green. And stop there. So yellows, you've got 8, and then greens, you've got 7. Now, some children were counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. That is absolutely fine. If you want to do that in your challenge, then you can do that. Okay. But for this challenge, what I asked you to do was every time you got back here, you went 1. You run there, and back, that was 2. Back to 3. But it doesn't matter, if that's how you counted, and that is fine, you can do it whichever way you like, as long as you make sure you count, and you don't just make up scores at the end. Like 100 or 20, okay? Make sure it counts correctly. But, for the last session, guys, job well done. So, captains of each team, I need you now to go and pick up both of your cones and go and place them onto the bench here for me. The rest of you come and sit in front of me. That is now the end of our session.